The goal of the Pure Michigan Talent Connect website is to provide a centralized location for employers and job seekers to connect. You can perform job searches without having an account. However, some features such as saving a job search with email alert notifications or allowing employees to see your profile and view your resume require an active account. Creating a job seeker account is easy. Click Create an Account in the upper right corner of the home page. On the pop-up page, select Job Seeker as the type of account you would like to create. Next, read and authorize the privacy and terms of use statement. On your account, you will need to enter your name, address, and phone number. Enter the email address that you will use to sign into Talent Connect. An email address is required to allow employers a method in which to contact the job seeker and will serve as a unique identifier in the Talent Connect system. An email address will also allow job seekers the ability to reset their password. Enter a password and choose 3 different questions and answer as appropriate. Click Next. This page contains all of the information that employers will be able to search on to find your profile, so it is important to enter complete and accurate information. Employers will be able to search for information stored in your profile, but not on your resume. After you have filled out your profile information, click on the checkbox if you do not want your information to be viewable by employers. You will receive an email from webnoreply@michigan.gov with instructions on how to activate your account. Note, if you do not receive this message, please check your spam junk email folder. Be sure to watch our training tutorial on creating an effective profile and how to perform a job search. After you sign into your job seeker account, the first screen to display will be My Workspace. My Workspace has 4 sections. The first section is for saved jobs and applied jobs. You can save up to 30 jobs on the Saved Jobs tab. You can keep a record of jobs you have applied for under the Applied Jobs tab. Be sure to check out the tutorial on applying for jobs to learn more about this feature. The second section has 3 inner tabs: Resumes, Documents, and Public Profile. On the Resumes tab, you can save up to 3 resumes. One resume must be designated as your primary resume and can be viewed by potential employers. The Documents tab is where you can save up to 30 additional documents relating to your job search. Employers cannot see these documents, but you can use it as a convenient place to store materials such as cover letters, transcripts, work examples, and more. The Public Profile tab shows you your profile as seen by employers. Here you can see if your profile is visible to employers and can easily edit or update your profile. The third section is for saved searches. You can save up to 5 different searches and can set the email notification frequency to daily, weekly, or none. More details of this feature can be found on the Save Searches video. The final section will show you the activity happening on your profile. Resume Viewed tells you the number of times your resume has been viewed by employers. Appeared in Search lets you know the number of times your profile has appeared in an employer candidate search. If your profile is set to be visible by employers and these numbers are low, be sure to watch our training tutorial on how to create an effective profile. Creating an effective profile is important so that employers will be able to match you with their job opportunities. Remember that you do not need your profile to be viewable to employers to utilize Pure Michigan Talent Connect. If your profile is private, you can still take advantage of the other features such as Save Jobs and Save Searches. Here you can see what your profile will look like from an employer's perspective. It is important to note that employers find you based on information you provide in your profile, not on your resume. This is why it's important to accurately fill out as much information as possible. Click on Edit to update your profile. The Contact Information tab shows you your information that was used to create your profile. With the exception of your first name, last name, and email address, employers will not be able to view any of your contact information. However, any contact information provided on your resume will be seen by employers. On the Career Information tab, you can edit all of the information that will be visible to employers. Under the Education information, you can indicate your highest level of education completed. You can then give detailed information by clicking on the Recent Future College Graduate and entering your college, major, and graduation date. You can also add certifications and other credentials to your profile. The next section allows you to choose up to 10 career categories and career types. When employers post a job, they are required to identify which category and type it belongs to. Employers commonly search for job seekers based on this information. Next, fill in your top skills. This section is extremely important because employers will be able to find your profile based on keywords you enter in these fields. Next, you can specify if you are a veteran or if you would like employers to see your veteran status. Location preference is where you will indicate where you would like to be located in Michigan. If you are willing to relocate, select the Any Willing to Relocate box and it will automatically check each location. Lastly, under Employer Search Preference, you can indicate if you would like your profile to be public or private. We recommend using the spell check feature before saving your profile. Talent Connect allows you to save up to 3 resumes. However, you must designate one to be your primary resume. If an employer elects to view your resume, your primary resume will be the one that they can view. You can upload a resume already created in PDF, Word, or RTF format from another location. Resumes are saved in the same format as they are created. If you do not already have a resume, Talent Connect can help you build one. Click Build a Resume. The contact information is pre-filled based on information provided in your profile. Several types of resume templates are available to choose from. Note, if you change your resume contact information, your account information is not affected. Likewise, if you change your account information, it is not changed automatically on your resume. First, type a name for your resume. Then, update your resume contact information if desired. Click the radio button to select the desired resume type. Chronological resumes will list your information in date order. Functional resumes will group your information by function. A combination resume will give a combination of each of these types or resume formats. Click Next. On the next couple of pages, enter any information you would like to be included on your resume. You may use the spell check feature to check for spelling errors on your resume. You can also click Save and Preview if you would like to preview your resume as you are building it or if you need to stop at this point. Once you click Complete Resume, the system will take you back to your workspace to view. You can then set your built resume to primary if you would like to do so. To perform a job search, click Job Search on the Job Seeker navigation bar, or if you are on the My Workspace page, click the New Search button. On the job search screen, there are several search options available. It is important to note that the more filters you put into the job search, the less results you will get, so it's a good idea to start the search broad and narrow it down later. Under Keyword Search, you are able to type in any words you would like to match to the job posting. Match All Keywords will tell the system to only display postings that match every word you put into this field. Job Title lets you search by jobs based on the exact title the employer put on the posting. Since many employers have different titles for similar positions, it is a good idea to not limit your job search to just doing job title searches. Job location searches can be done by providing a radius to either a zip code or a city. You can also narrow your job search by the education required, what career category and type the posting is listed under, and the job level. Many other filters are available at the bottom of the job search screen. These filters will allow you to search for postings based on specific characteristics. However, remember that if an employer does not include this information on their posting, you will be filtering out those postings as well. When you are ready, click Search. The job search results page will display job postings with the job name, position location, and the date it was posted. You can change the number of jobs displayed or how they are sorted by clicking on the drop-down menus at the top and clicking Update Results. If you have received more results than you want to look through, you can use the Refined Search sidebar to narrow down your result list. Select your additional search criteria such as changing the mile radius or education level, then click Apply Changes. Or if you would like to start your search over, you can click on New Search. The Job Details screen shows you all of the information about the posting that the employer has shared. The job code number is a unique identifier that is used to determine how many times the posting has been viewed and saved. The job description gives details on the posting as well as any information the job seeker needs to know about specific requirements or job duties. On the right side of the screen are more details about the position. Note the expiration date for the posting is also listed here. Under Job Tools, you can save the posting to your Saved Jobs list on your Job Seeker workspace. You can also email the position to yourself or someone you know, report the job, print, or share. At the bottom of the posting, you will see the How to Apply button. Clicking this will show you the instructions provided by the employer on how to apply for this position. Be sure to check out the video on how to apply for postings on Pure Michigan Talent Connect. After you have performed a job search, you can save your search criteria so you do not have to re-enter it every time you visit Pure Michigan Talent Connect. Note that you must be signed into your job seeker account to save job searches. On the job search results page, enter any search name. You can then select if you want to receive email notifications when new postings are available that meet your search criteria. You can receive these emails either daily or weekly, or choose not to receive any email notifications. After you click Save Search, it will be available on your Job Seeker workspace, which you can access by clicking on the Job Seeker tab. You can save up to 5 job searches on your account, and they can be edited or deleted at any time. Once you have found a posting you are interested in applying for, click on the How to Apply instructions at the bottom of the posting. This will show you the instructions left by the employer on how to submit an application. Employers have the option of allowing job seekers to apply directly through the system. If this option is available, an Apply Now button will appear by the instructions. Here you can attach your resume from your profile along with any other documents you have stored, such as a cover letter or list of references, and customize a message that will be sent directly to the employer. If you apply directly through the system, they will automatically be listed under the Applied Jobs tab on your workspace. This way you can keep track of what dates you submitted your applications on and write notes to remind yourself on when to follow up. Many employers put a link to their company's career website in the How to Apply instructions. This is because they use their own applicant tracking system to keep track of their candidates. If this is the case, you will see a link that you can either click on or copy and paste into your web browser. Even if you do not apply directly through the Pure Michigan Talent Connect system, you can still add postings to the Applied Jobs tab on your workspace. First, save the posting to your Saved Jobs list. Then, click the Applied button. A pop-up will appear asking you what day you applied on, and it will give you the option of writing a note. These notes are only visible to you and will not be seen by the employer.